to the fabulous MGM Grand Resort and Casino in Los Production the world over, wearing white trunks with multi-color trim. As the distinguished boxing senator, he is fighting out of and proudly representing the Sarangani Province in the Philippines. He weighed in the same as his opponent, 146 and 1/2 pounds. Truly one of the renowned idols of boxing today. His record stands at 61 wins, 7 losses, 2 draws, with 39